Universe City Podcast. Episode 32, Cosmic Noise. Posted by Universe City. Have you been listening so far?
I think by now, February, we've, as they say, lost touch. Not that we ever touched in the first place. In the end, I'm still only ever looking where you've looked. I'm only ever walking where you've walked. I'm in your dark blue shadow, and you never seem to turn around to find me there. I wonder sometimes whether you've exploded already, like a star. And what I'm seeing is you 3 million years into the past, and you're not here anymore. How can we be together here, now, when you are so far away? When you are so far ago? I'm shouting so loudly, but you never turn around to see me. Perhaps it is I who have already exploded. Either way, we are going to bring beautiful things into the universe.